welcome to our 8I EPS Home School. My dear students, hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sanjida Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a elementary science class for the student of class 4, and our today's class topic is chapter 12, reading done, and our lecture number 30. My dear students, in our today's class we will discuss chapter 12, and this chapter is about information technology. Now let's start our class. The name of our chapter is information in our life. Information is very important for our life. By using information, we bring change of our lifestyle. Information helps us to decide what to do. The technological tool used to create, to collect, to analyze and to exchange information is called information and communication technology. It is called ICT in short. So what is the abbreviation of ICT? ICT abbreviation is information and communication technology. And what is the technological tool? Technological tools are our radio, TV, mobile phone, telephone, fax. They are information tools, because with the help of these tools we collect information, different kinds of information, like news. We collect news from the TV or from the newspaper. We listen music from the radio, or we watch movie. We collect different kinds of information with the help of different tools like TV, radio, mobile phone, fax or other tools. ICT makes our life easy and is used in many ways in the field of business, education, medical and agriculture services. There are various types of information and communication technologies such as computer, the internet, mobile phone, TV, radio and camera are example of ICT. What is the example of ICT tools? ICT tools examples are computer, internet, mobile phone, TV, radio, camera. These are the example of the ICT tools, and ICT means information and communication technology. The picture below shows many things in a room. Let's find out the information and communication technologies at home. Here is the picture of an office room, and in this picture there is shown different kinds of information tools. Here is a TV, and there is a laser light machine. Here is a fax machine. There is a computer and hard disk, and here is a printer. There is a laptop, a land phone, a mobile phone and a laptop, and all these things are used to collect the information, because with the help of computer we can send our information to other peoples, and we collect different kinds of news, like we collect our daily newspapers, or we collect daily news, weather news, cricket playing news and different kinds of news from the computer. And also with the mobile phone we can communicate with other peoples from our home and abroad. Now people have invented that developed various types of technologies in order to pass on information to others. Information and communication technologies can be largely classified into two groups. Technology for the communication with people, that means communication technology, that means the tools which we use to communicate with other people, like our telephone, our land phone, our mobile phone, our different kinds of device. It's used to communicate with the people, so it is used as the communication technology. Mobile phone, telephone, land phone, they are used for communicate with the other people. And technology for recording information, recording technology. There are lots of recording technology, like our radio, our TV, and these things are record different kinds of events, or different in the TV they record the drama, they record the picture, and in the radio they also record voice voice record. And also in the mobile phone we found different kinds, we can record different kinds of things, like we can record a video, we can record the voice, so it is also a recording device. Development of the communication technology. The history of communication technology began thousands of years ago with the use of smoke signals and drums. In the ancient time, to communicate with the other peoples, that means the people living far away from you, they use smoke signals. That means they collect, gather wooden things, or they collect different kinds of wastage things and papers, and they burn them, and then the smoke is came out, and after seeing the smoke, then the people who are living far away, they think that here is a message, that they come to the place where the smoke created. And also they use smoke signals, and they also beating drums. When the sound go to the far places, then the people who live far places, they think that we need to collect the message from the place where the drum is beating. In next stage of information technology, people exchange information through sending letter, introducing newspaper, book, journals, etc. In the modern age, the telegraph was invented by Baron Seelig in 1832, and after ancient time, then people use letter. They write the message in the paper with the pen, and they send the letter to the particular place or particular people. And they use also telegraph, and telegraph was invented in the 1832 and invented by Baron Seelig, a scientist. A scientist named Samuel Morse succeeded to send information through wire using telegraph in 1837, and scientist named Samuel Morse, he succeeded to invent telegraph in 1837. In 1876, Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone to talk directly with other people across large distances. After that, a radio followed by a television was invented. Nowadays, we use ICT such as a computer, mobile phone, and internet for the communication. In 1876, Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone to communicate with the with the first people, and they talk each other at a time. And after that, there was invented radio, then invented television, and now we use mobile phone, computer, or laptop for our communication with other people. And we can talk to people in any time, in any how. With the use of mobile phone, we can send them the pictures, we can send them the videos, and we can call with seeing them in the video call using internet technology. Now, development of recording technology. In ancient time, people draw pictures on the cave wall or use the lithograph to record information. After the invention of writing, people used paper to write down the message. After the invention of printing press, people have kept a record of a lot of information on books. Nowadays, people use a camera, a tape record, a video recorder, pen drive, CD, DVD, and memory card to store the information. To store the information, like your birthday, when you born in this world, or your exact date and your exact year, you will in the ancient time they write in the cave wall with the help of stone. After that, when the people invented paper, they write on the paper and collect the information here. And then when the printing press was invented, then people use a book or diary to collect the information. Then now in the future modern time, we use camera, we use laptop, we use mobile phone, tape recorder, video recorder, pen drive, CD drive, DVD, and memory card to store our information. Now, uses of the information. We get a lot of information every day. The amount of information is increasing at a rapid pace. Therefore, we need to make a good use of information in our life. The use of information includes the activities like collecting, storing and sharing information. The following steps show a wise use of information. We just collect the information or we give information, but what is the use of the information? We collect different huge amount of information and different kinds of information, and now we have to use the information. How can we use the information? Like step 1, deciding what types of information you need. We may need different types of information at one time or other. News, weather, events, ideas or people's experience are example of information. Here two students are talking, and I want to know today's weather report. I need information on the date of cricket match. They are talking that they need information. One students want to know the weather information, and another students want to know about the cricket match information. So their information types are different. So how can they collect the information? They collect the information from the different sources. Step 2, finding the ways and source for collecting information. You must find the ways and source that are best suited to the information you need. You may get the information by observing and asking people. There are different sources of information such as people, newspaper, books, the internet, TV and radio. So we can collect the information like when we are talking with our friends or elder ones, we get the information. We get the information from the newspaper, books, internet, TV or radio. And now step 3, collecting the information. Necessary information should be collected with the best ways and sources we found. During collecting the information, we should keep a record. We can store the information by taking a note on a notebook or paper or using a recording technology such as camera, DVD and CD and DVD. You may collect a huge amount of information and different kinds of information, but your brain is not a huge amount. Your brain has no huge space to store this information at a time. So how can you store this information? For storing your information, you use a paper or notebook. You can write the information in paper or notebook, or using a recording technology such as camera, DVD or CD. You can collect the information in the computer in CD drive or DVD drive. Step 4, sharing the information. Before sharing information, organize the information on the exercise book or paper based on your recording. When sharing the information with someone, we should pay attention to what we want to say and how we can give clear explanation to our friends. And now you are recorded your information, then you should need to share your information. When you are sharing information with your friends, you must be sure that your information is correct and true. And the source of information will be best. So we should pay the attention to what we want to say and how we can give clear explanation to our friends, and we can share our information, collected information to our friends and or other peoples. Now in this chapter there are some exercise. We do the exercise. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Number 1, information and dash technology makes our lives easier. Answer, information and communication. C-O-M-M-E-N-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Communication. Information and communication technology makes our lives easier. Number 2, people drawing pictures on the cave wall or used dash to store information. People drawing picture on cave wall or used lithography. L-I-T-H-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y. Lithography. L-I-T-H-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y. Lithography is to store information. Number 3, the use of information includes the activities like collecting, storing and dash information. The use of information includes the activities like collecting, storing and sharing. S-H-A-R-I-N-G. Sharing information. Number 2, put a tick mark on the correct answer. Number 1, Which one is the modern technology for the communication? Answer: the internet. Number 2, which one is the best way to collect the information on your friends' experiences? Answer: asking your friend. My dear students, I hope you understand our today's class. You will read this chapter attentively at your home and try to understand this chapter. Till then, people, Assalamu alaikum.